Hello everybody, welcome back. Okay, last video what we did is we learned the dependencies, we understood what we are trying to do, and we created a simple Django project without adding any piece of code over anywhere. Okay, that is all we did. Now in this video, we'll not add on the Django side anything, we'll create our backend. What we'll do is, okay, we'll use a pre-trained deep learning model. I'll discuss about those things. Let's come step by step. First, what you can do is open this page, keras.io.application, as you see in my URL. Okay, this is the page. So you can see here a long list of pre-trained models. Now, what are these pre-trained models? And these are image trained models. Okay, that means you have trained here for a lot of images. So all of these, and we'll be seeing this ResNet 50. Okay, all of these are trained with ImageNet dataset. Okay, it has 36,000 types of images. That means it is capable of identifying from 36,000 images. Okay, you can search for what are the things ImageNet is capable of. Just search for ImageNet classes. Okay, you'll find a list which you can see this. Okay, so it is capable of this long list, right from goldfish to house finch to bulbul to kite, bullfrog, name it. You have a huge list here. Okay, you can take up this URL for more details. Okay, so this is trained with these images. What this means is it is already pre-trained. The training, the model creation part, all those things have already happened. What we intend to do now, use that pre-trained model, connect it with our Django application, upload image in our Django application, use this pre-trained model to the prediction and show up in the result. Pretty much that. Let's see. Okay, so this is what. So let's see how to use it, and for that you don't actually have to go anywhere. Just in this part of it. So you can see here ResNet is there. So all we can do is we can make use of this code. Okay, so this is the URL. Okay, what you can do is just copy this code after you have installed Keras. That is the point here. Okay, so what you do is here backend test. That's what we are trying to do now. Okay, let's include all the dependencies. It may take a little while depending on your computation powerful laptop because it is trying to install something. Okay, it might take a little while. Okay, and you can see here it shares TensorFlow in the backend. That means Keras is a high-level deep learning library. It uses TensorFlow in the backend. Of course, it can use any other library. CNTK is another library by Google. It can use MXNet, right? It can connect. So it has become a de facto for anybody writing deep learning application. It's really easy to write. Okay, and the complexity is abstracted. Here the star sign shows it that it is still computation. So let's wait. Yeah. Okay. It might take a little time based on your system, but wait till the star goes away. So what we have now, we have all the things imported. Okay, now let's get to the next stage. Okay, what you're doing, this is a pretty important line. You are actually getting that model. This is the model. Using that you will be doing the prediction. This is the model. This is the pre-trained model that we're trying to get. Okay, and here we are mentioning weights is equal to ImageNet, telling we have trained it for ImageNet. Okay, just execute this. It might take a little time as well. Okay, till the time what we'll do is we'll try to download some animals image which we want to detect. Okay, so what will I do? I have few images in my system, or you can of course Google it. Let's Google it. See, it mentioned that it is trying to download and it may take this file. It will of course reduce that a bit. So what you can do is, okay, so let's see here, just search for elephant or teddy bear. Say pug, right? Let's search. If you're a dog fan, you definitely love pug. Let's see. Okay, so maybe we really want to search this guy. Okay, let's save this photo. Okay, so in pictures, pug. Okay, so that's the whole idea. Now let it finish. It's about to. As soon as the star goes away, it tells you it is done. Let's see. Yeah, we can see now that it is gone. It has finished now. So let's choose the animal that we want to. So here they have done with elephant. Okay, of course you can name it anything. I have a pug here. It's been my pictures. It's not giving me the full path. So what I can do is properties pug.jpg, right? Okay, we want to see the image. What you can do is import matplotlib.pyplot as plt percentage. Okay, this will make sure that you can see it here. Okay, then let's load the image, and from skimage.io import just to see the data and all that. Import im read. Okay, you can see the image. Okay, as we understand, image is actually internally all the numbers. Each pixel of an image is represented by RGB. Just a brief around image, and you can see this is the image details. Okay, you can see all the values of RGB. We don't have to deal a lot around it. Just mention here image is equal to this. Okay, and if you want to see the image, plt.im show. Okay, if you do this here, it will show. So this is the thing. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to do some prediction around it. Okay, again, let's get back here. Okay, this is basically image load and you're trying to predict. Let's execute it here. Yeah, it's done. So if you do preds, okay, you can see some information which is not making a lot of sense here, right? We want to interpret this information. So what we can do is you can use this line, decode prediction is the API, and we do this. Okay, it will make a lot of sense now. It will tell you which class of it is. So you can see here it is executing. Okay, and you get the result here. See, with 81% accuracy, it has identified this image as pug. How amazing it is, right? With just writing less than 10 lines of code here. Okay, so that's the whole deal. What we'll try to do, we'll create a web interface where we'll upload an image and it will give you this output. That's the whole drill around it. I hope you got my point. Thank you. See you in the next video.